Hello lovelies, we are back again with another hair secret, and this one is mind-blowing. Okay, and in this recipe today we'll be needing a bulb of onion and a ginger. So first of all, we are going to be chopping our onions into smaller pieces. Okay guys, wash with me and wash very carefully so that you will not miss any part of this hair growing secret. Well, as we slice our onion, let's quickly talk about the benefits of onion to hair growth. As we all know, onion is high in sulfur. It contains it reduces breakage and a teeny hair. If you are that type that have a tiny hair, go for onions. Onions paste or onions juice nourish and create a natural shine for the hair. Onions juice help to fight against infection and helps with lice treatment. If you are that type that has lice in your hair is itchy, you is crashing, onions is very important. Okay, let's quickly talk about ginger. Ginger helps to promote the circulation of scalp. Okay, and it also promotes natural hair growth. Ginger helps to fight against dandruff. If you are that type that is battling with dandruff, that have enough dandruff on your hair, you can go for ginger and wash so very carefully about this hair growth secret, and we see the outcome. You will so much love it. I have some of my subscribers that do talk about dandruff. This video is actually for you. You guys should watch it and comment in the comment section. Yes, it's time to blend our already chopped onion and ginger. So at this time we are going to be blending for at least 2 minutes to give us that smooth pop. Okay guys, we'll be adding a little water to it. You know ginger is a bit hard, so for easy blending. Now guys, our blended onion and ginger is ready. It's time for us to sieve it. You can use, some people do use stockings, but I'm using this net, condom net for those people that do wig. So we are squeezing the juice out of the pump, and voila, we are done with it. So this is how it looks. I'm going to be adding my almond oil and black Jamaica castor oil. If you have other hair growth oil, it's also advisable to add. So this is the one I have at this very time. This is the one I'm using. So you mix properly and add it into your hairspray bottle. So we are done with it, and it's going to be doing a miracle work and a great job when using this. I believe and I know most of you will testify of it. So we are going to be applying it now right to my hair. I did a twist out, and because of this video I just did a twist out to show you how I'm going to be applying it. You apply it direct to your scalp because it's the scalp that is very important in applying hair growth oil. So when you are done applying it, you just massage it to your scalp like at least 3 to 4 minutes. Keep on adding as you want. Yeah, when you are done massaging it to your scalp, you can use something, you can tie your hair with something that can retain the heat so that the treatment, the hair growth treatment, can work effectively. Yes, I just want to use this opportunity to thank my return subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. And for those of you that have not subscribed, and for those that will watch this video and subscribe, I'm saying thank you in advance. And please don't forget to turn on your notification bell, that whenever I upload a new video, you will all be notified and you will not miss any of my video. Alright, see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love you all, but God loves you most.